Hello mga ate corn, let's do an IKEA haul. I have decided to do a mini condo makeover since ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong if I still stay here and the answer is yes. Just don't really vlog here because sobrang gulo and hindi na siya nakakatuwa. So nag-IKEA kami to buy storage and kung ano-ano pa. Hindi ko na mabubuhat yung mga furniture pero I'll just show you photos of what I got. I got myself a Kallax, it's a shelving unit. I also got myself a Jutersbo, a Brooks Vara. I also got two lamps which is called Vincast and Hector. And I think that's it. Oh, Vic got a gaming chair pero syempre hindi ko na ipapakita yun kasi hindi naman yun para dito. Okay, let's begin. So, since I did buy two lamps, I got two light bulbs. And then, I got two plates kasi, I don't know, ang ganda lang kasi talaga. All my plates here are also from IKEA, so I just decided to add more. Oh my god, ang bigay! I also got myself bowls. These are called the Shrimig, and ang ganda lang ng color niya. And minsan kasi pag kumakain ako, gusto ko naka-bowl siya. Arte lang, bakit? Got a chopping board na elevated na kasi medyo maliit lang yung counter space ko since ang dami kong mga appliances. So, this is really nice. This is called the Stoltet. I got two pillows for my sofa kasi it's really, really plain. And of course, bumili rin ako ng, tawag dito, pundach. Grabe kanina guys, parang hilong-hilo talaga ako sa IKEA. As in, kapuyan ako, swear. Kapoy ka ayos, sige, tuyok dito. If you've been to IKEA, I'm pretty sure you would know. Like, ako ka ba kung unsay akong paliton? As in, nalipong jud ko. Anyway, I ended up with these. Bumili ako ng pansandok ng kanin kasi wala na pala akong pansandok ng kanin dito. Bumili rin ako neto kasi sabi ko, 70 pesos. Pero di ba fantasy naman talaga magluto ng may ganito? So go, sinigang ka sa akin. And bumili ako ng cheese grater kasi gusto ko gumawa ng pasta. Ang feeling! Watch me not make it. And then I bought this kasi naisip ko ilagay yung mga ganitong remote para lang hindi siya pakalat-kalat. Like remote din ng aircon dito sa dining, ganon. And then, ano pa? Oh, I bought a vase kasi ang dami kong mga... Well, I bought a vase kasi may nagbibigay na sa akin ng flowers. Okay. So may binigay si Vic sa akin na bouquet na hindi siya namamatay. So dito ko siya balak ilagay at i-display. I got bath mats. I already have these in my bathroom in the color gray pero I decided to get brown naman. And tatlo yung binili ko. 200 pesos lang to isa. I also got this knife set. Tas meron na siyang holder. I think this was, how much was this? I think this was 990, pero kasi kasama na yung lalagyan. And feeling ko naman tatlong kutsilyo lang naman kailangan ko, diba? Last, I bought picture frames kasi ang dami naming mga photo booth pictures ng friends ko, na mommy, ganon. So gusto ko sana ilagay dito, tapos lalagay ko sa wall kasi very plain lang yung mga walls. That is it for my IKEA haul. Na-excite na tong katabi kong tulungan akong i-set up kasi kasi uwi na siyang Batangas, kaya help daw niya muna akong i-set up to. Yun naman. Bye! Love, love!